You can see I've got a really nice foundation cover now and an absolutely lovely dewy finish. Now it's time to add concealer. I've got some redness that comes through here and I really don't want that showing up throughout the day. As with all of our products, we work from our lid. So tapping a little bit into my lid, my triple milled concealer brush ready to go. I'm going to add the product. I'm going to pat it onto my cheeks. And blend it around into the corner of my nose. The other side. I'm also going to run a line of concealer under my eye and blend down into a triangle. That covers up any darkness under my eyes. And the purple that I have just in there. I am also going to use my concealer as an eye primer so that my eyeshadows glide on nicely and they remain in place all day. Okay, my concealer's on and my redness is not going to show through at all during the day.